Exotic tropical plant life, which grows nowhere else, will intrigue you at the botanical gardens. Even ruins are different. This one contains a hotel and spa within a historic fort site. Geology also reveals nature's little secrets, particularly on Virgin Gorda. The major geologic wonder of the BVI is the baths. This eerie site is the most famous of nature's little secrets in the outside world. But now, you know many more. This formerly uninhabited island has been transformed into a private resort which taxes the imagination and where every whim is catered to. Famous guests have included Princess Diana, Harrison Ford, and Steven Spielberg. Wherever you decide to go, guest accommodations in the BVI are a lot more than just a place to stay. People care. Every effort has been made to showcase the natural environment and make it part of your living quarters. Whether you stay in a locally hosted guest house or a top 20 resort, the people who welcome you make all the difference. Water-going accommodations are first class too. A wider variety of charter yachts home port the BVI than anywhere else in the Caribbean. But wherever you stay, you'll never be far from nature's little secrets. No fancy floor shows, casinos, or late-night discos, but you'll never miss them. Evenings focus on good food and drink in picturesque settings. You'll find the service flamboyant and very friendly. Entertainment is informal but spirited. Music tends to favor songs of the sea. Island highlights include spending time with local citizens, like the owner of this free-form dive operation and pub.
Well, the first best hideaway is Sabre Rock, Pirates Pub. I came here 35 years ago, found the place very beautiful, and found the people very gentle people, very nice people. And I found a nice little island up in North Sound, Virgin Gorda. We have coral gardens, we have fish that come right up and kiss you. So it's very, very exciting, both above land and below the sea.
Some of the finest music on the islands is homegrown.
But whoa, how you blew my mind. With your gay sunshine. I couldn't get you off my mind. So I came back to be with you for a long time.
The nicest thing about nature's little secrets may be that you will have to return to experience them all.
Hello there, how you doing?
Wherever you go, the warm, caring attitude of the people makes a measurable difference in the quality of your visit. Zeno, a famous Greek philosopher who lived more than 2,000 years ago, once said that the goal of life is living in agreement with nature. It may well take us another 2,000 years to achieve that goal. But isn't it worthwhile starting to work on it right now? Come to the British Virgin Islands. It's time you discovered nature's little secrets for yourself.